Hello and welcome to AI Private Tutor. In this quick video, I'll show you just how fast, simple, and powerful AI Private Tutor is to use. Let's get started. First, log into the application. From the Site menu, you'll see all the powerful features available inside AI Private Tutor. Let's move to the AI Tutor section. Here you'll find multiple AI tutors, each designed to help with different subjects and expertise. For example, you'll see instructors like AI and Machine Learning Instructor, Dr. Kieran Morales, Dr. Aaron Psyche. Each AI tutor is ready to answer questions and guide users through learning. Now let me show you an example using Professor Adrian Quark, our physics teacher. Click Start.
Hi there. I'm Professor Adrian Quark, your physics teacher. Physics is full of fascinating ideas ready to be explored. What question or challenge can I assist you with today?
Then click Record. Now say something like, Professor, can you explain what quantum physics is in simple terms? Then simply send your question and watch the AI tutor respond instantly with a clear explanation.
Absolutely. I'm thrilled to dive into the fascinating world of quantum physics with you. Let's break it down together. At its core, quantum physics is the branch of physics that deals with the behavior of very small particles. Like atoms and subatomic particles, think electrons and protons. In the macroscopic world we experience every day, things tend to behave in predictable ways. However, when we zoom into the quantum realm, the rules change dramatically. 1. Wave-particle duality. One of the most mind-bending ideas in quantum physics is that particles can behave both like particles and like waves. For example, light can travel as a wave, but it can also hit a surface like a stream of tiny particles called photons. This duality challenges our everyday experiences, where we typically see things as either one or the other. 2. Quantization. In the quantum world, energy is not continuous but comes in discrete packets called quanta. Imagine trying to fill a cup with water but only being able to add it in spoonfuls. This is similar to how energy levels work at the atomic level. 3. Uncertainty principle, introduced by the brilliant physicist Werner Heisenberg. This principle states that we cannot precisely know both the position and momentum of a particle at the same time. This means there's a fundamental limit to what we can know about the state of a quantum system. It's like trying to pinpoint exactly where a bouncing ball will land while also knowing how fast it's moving. It becomes a bit fuzzy. 4. Superposition. Quantum particles can exist in multiple states at once until they are measured.
Pretty amazing, right? Now let's head over to the Academy Builder feature. Here you'll find two options, Site Creation and Pages. Let's start with Site Creation. This feature allows you to launch your very own AI-powered software website in just a few steps. On your site, users can access live AI teachers, and you can earn money through PayPal. Here's how it works. Click Create Site, choose your domain, either a subdomain or your own custom domain. Upload your logo, set your contact email, add your site content, define your pricing, and that's it. Once you're done, your fully automated AI Private Tutor website is ready to go live. Simply click the link, and your live AI Private Tutor site is ready to explore. Now let's explore some key features inside the platform. Payment integration. This is where you can connect your PayPal account so you can start receiving payments directly from users on your AI tutoring site. Opt-in subscribers. This section displays the email addresses collected from the sign-up form in your site's footer. These contacts are potential leads and future clients who have shown interest in your services. Customers. Here, you'll see a complete list of users who have purchased services from your site. This makes it easy to track sales and manage your clients. Extras. Inside this section, you'll also find exclusive bonuses, tutorials, and 24/7 support to help you get the most out of the platform. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed building your own team of AI teachers with AI Private Tutor. Start creating, start teaching, and start growing your AI-powered education business today.